Hey there, maybe you know or maybe you don't. For your kind information, this is Thursday and that means it's a 3-minute Thursday. Have you ever wondered how your mobile network works? So, in your phone, when you speak or hear a sound, it's converted from a digital signal into a real sound. And this signal converts your voice into a binary digit and makes it an electromagnetic wave. This wave made a connection with two devices. But if there is any electronic device, whether issues in a middle way, there will be some problems. To solve this problem, they use a cellular tower technology. In cellular technology, a geographic area is divided into hexagonal cells. These towers use fiber cable laid under the ground for connectivity. The waves produced by your phone and convert into a high-frequency light pulse. These light pulses travel toward the destination tower, and that's how you got your friend by calling him. The most important thing is that we don't know how does your tower knows in which cell tower area your friend is located. To solve this problem, cell towers get help from the Mobile Switching Center (MSC). This is a central point of a group of cell towers, from where you get your SIM, that's called home MSC. When your friends call you from another MSC, those towers know where your phone is located. What if you ever came across from your home MSC? You will be added to some foreign MSC. If someone calls you, then your home MSC forward your call request to a foreign MSC. If your phone is still open, it will ring. You have a SIM in your cell phone that defines the allocated frequency range.
For more updates, please subscribe our channel.